Things Fall Apart by Chinoa Achebe. Characters: Okonpo, the main character, a respected people leader who values tradition and strength. Moye, Okonpo's son who rejected his father's ways and joins Christianity. Izenma, Okonpo's favorite daughter who he wishes for a son. Ikemefona, a boy taken in by Okonpo's family but later killed to keep the peace. Mr. Brown, a kind missionary who tries to work with the evil people. Reverend Smith, a strict missionary who caused the flood.
Plot summary. Okonpo works hard to get respect in his village, but everything falls apart when colonizer and Christianity disrupt their traditional way of life. Okonpo refused to change, leading to his tragic end.
The story compares ignorant traditions with the truth caused by colonization, showing themes of change and resistance.
It showed the dangers of being too strong and how losing culture can hurt people.
The story criticizes how colonizers talk over equal land, culture, and economy. It looks at the roles women play in Igbo society, like Izinma's importance and how colonization affects women's status. Historical. It reflects the real culture struggles during European colonization Africa. Reader response. Readers might feel sorry for Okonpo's fight to protect his culture or see his unwillingness to adapt as part of his downfall.
The Yellow Wallpaper by Charlotte Perkins Gilman. Characters: unnamed narrator, a woman with postpartum depression who is confined by her husband. John, the narrator's husband and doctor who keeps her isolated and ignores her needs. Jenny, John's sister who helps around the house and watches over the narrator.
Plot summary. The narrator is forced to stay in the room with yellow wallpaper by her husband. John, who doesn't believe she really sick, she becomes abused by the wallpaper, thinking a woman is trapped behind it. In the end, she loses her sanity completely.
The story is told through the narrator's unreasonable point of view, and the yellow wallpaper represents her feeling of being trapped and powerless.
The story showed the hurt choose by ignoring women's voice and not letting them make decisions about their own mental health.
Historical. It shows how in the 80s women were expected to stay home, follow orders, though were often treated as if they couldn't understand their own health. Reader response. Readers make important the yellow wallpaper in different ways. Some might see it as a symbol of being trapped. Others might see it as her mind breaking or as a fearless call for change.
The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. Characters: Jay Gatsby, a rich man who throws big parties to win back Daisy, the woman he loves. Nick Carraway, the story's narrator and Gatsby's neighbor. Daisy Buchanan, Nick's cousin, Gatsby's love and Bob's wife. Tom Buchanan, Daisy's husband, who is arrogant and uses his power to get what he wants. Jordan Baker, a golfer and friend of Daisy, who spends time with her. Myrtle Wilson, Tom's mistress, who dreams of a better life. George Wilson, Myrtle's husband, who runs a garage and is heartbroken by her death.
Plot summary. Nick Carraway tells the story of his summer with Gatsby, a wealthy man in love with Daisy. Gatsby and Daisy start seeing each other again, but things fall apart after Daisy accidentally kills Myrtle with a car. Gatsby takes the blame and George Wilson, thinking Gatsby was responsible, kills him.
The story uses symbols like the green light in the day eyes of the Dr. T.J. Eckleburg. The way the story is told show how gets the Baldwins and the truth about Daisy Carr.
The story, Wars about how chasing wealth and status can destroy people and showing how the American dream can be hollow.
It highlights the big gap between the rich, Daisy Tom, and the poor gorgeous and Mariku, and show how the American dream only works for the wealthy. The women like Daisy and Merit have limited choices and are mostly defined by the man in their lives that show the unfair expectation for women at the time. Historical. The book captures the flashy lifestyle of the 1920s, a time of wealth, parties, and moral confusion in the U.S. Reader response. Readers may feel sorry for Gatsby's dream of love or see him as foolish for abusing over Daisy. Others might criticize Daisy for not taking responsibility or focus on the unfair power of wealth.
The Story of an Arm by Kate Chopin. Characters: Louise Mellard, the main character who feels free when she hears her husband was dead. Brantley Mellard, Louise's husband thought to be dead but come home alive. Josephine, Louise's sister, who tells her about Breathless death. Richards, Breathless friend who brings the news of the accident.
Plot summary. Louise Mellard has heart problem when her husband died in a train crash. She feels sad at first, but then feels free to live her own life as she dreams of this new future her husband, walking alive that kills her.
The story is short and well organized. It uses symbols like the open window to show freedom, and the ending is ironic because Louise dies just as she feels free. Moralistic. The story makes you think about whether it's okay for Louise to feel happy about her husband's death. It questions the idea that marriage is always good for everyone. It shows how marriage can control women like Louise and how she sees freedom as an escape from the husband's power and the rules of society. The story criticizes how women in the 180s had little independence. Louise' feeling of freedom showed the trouble many women were in marriage.
Back in 80s, women then have many rights of choices. The story reflects how society dislikes women be independent.
Different Reader respond. Different readers might feel different things. Some might understand Louise's happiness and think she's brave, while others might feel sorry for her husband or see the ending as a trio twice.
A Word Plot by Eudora Welty. Characters: Phoenix Jackson, an elderly African-American woman who is determined to get medicine for her sick grandson. The grandson, a young boy who depends on Phoenix because he is sick. Various strangers. People Phoenix meets on her journey, like a hunter and a nurse, who reflect the challenges she faces.
Plot summary. Phoenix Jackson, an elderly woman, walk along a difficult path to town to get medicine for her grandson. Along the way, she faced obstacles like her old age, too trained, and people produce, but she never give up.
The story is built around Phoenix's journey, which symbolizes strength and rebirth. Her name's Phoenix. It's like the mythical bird rises again after hardship.
The story shows how love, dedication, and persistence can overcome obstacles even when the odds are hard.
It highlights the struggle of poor marginalized people, showing how Phoenix faced racism and class barriers while just trying to help her grandson. Phoenix is portrayed as a powerful, independent woman race or gender stereotype hold her back. Historical. The story reflects the racism and social challenges in the South during the early 90s, especially for African American women. Reader response. Readers might see Phoenix's journey as a metaphor for life's hardship or a sign of her deep inclination love for her grandson. Different readers might connection to her persistence in different ways.